Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here at businesswithtrading.com, and today we're doing Saturday stock talk, and we're looking at FCX again. We highlighted it a couple weeks ago. This is basically what we were watching, these two boxes right here. It did dip below it right here on the morning of the 27th of March, and it's bought up pretty nicely since then. Basically what I want to see right here is price to stay above 13 and preferably 13.20 and move up a little bit more. After that we'll probably get a pullback depending on how much it actually does move up. Right now I would want to see that, and that would give me a more bullish view, because at the moment we can still make another low. I still like it for big upside, but right now it can kind of go either way. There's obviously more bias towards the upside, but we have to take a wait and see approach. You can't just say, hey, this is going to go higher, let me just jump in, because it may or may not go higher. Obviously it's moved up a little bit from here, but I'm looking for a big move. I'm looking for a move over 17, over 20, maybe 25-ish, something like that. And over time, yeah, it will go over 30. But, what I'm looking at, this year as a possibility, I think over 17, over 20 is something that is a real possibility right now. So if this price can preferably stay over 13.20, maybe 13.30, somewhere in there, move up. As long as it stays over 13 and does it, it still looks good. But over 13.20, 13.30 would look better. So the better it would look, the more conviction I would have. But that's kind of what I'm looking for. Look for it to hold, make one more move up. It can move as high as 14, I would think, before a pullback, and that would look good. If it pulled back from here, it possibly can move up a little more, but it's still going to be at risk of making another low. I do like it here. We'll see what it can do here. If it were to move up and have a pullback, I would look for it above 15 and then 16, and that would be the sign that, hey, this thing is going above 20, and eventually it has a potential of going even higher than that. And from there, we'll take a wait and see approach, because once it gets close to 20, we want to see what it does from there, because it can do a couple different things. At 20, around 20, a little bit above 20, it can possibly roll over and move back to new lows, or it can bust through it and actually continue higher and go over 30. So at the moment, I'm just looking for a move into 20, and I just want to get a good feel for it. So holding this, moving up one more time, would definitely give me a lot more conviction and a lot more comfort in actually taking a long position that I will feel comfortable with. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. We'll take a wait and see approach. This week should definitely play out this coming week. It either holds here, moves up, or it just breaks down and puts us in jeopardy of a new low. So either or, it'll be an interesting week, and it will shed some light on FCX, which we definitely need some light, because ever since this video went sideways, made a new low, which this buy up looks nice, but we'll see what happens this week, and obviously it'll be early in the week. We'll find out what's going on, and then we can trade accordingly from there. Thanks everyone for your comments. If you have any questions on this one, feel free to leave comments below the video. Definitely appreciate that, and the more people that like the video, the more videos I'll make like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Have an awesome rest of your weekend and a great trading week. I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.